peppermint garland. This is cute. Okay, I don't care what anyone says. Oh, it looks kind of ugly. Today, we are decorating for Christmas. Yesterday, I actually made some garlands. I have 2 of these 4-foot Christmas trees that are like kind of pinky purplish. Tons of garland, some like little Christmas trees. Christmas decoration ASMR. I have a few decorations up for fall still. Girl, I'm a little bit behind on all of this, clearly. So I want to take down all of that first, and then we'll get these up. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. The house feels so good with the Christmas decorations. It just feels like so much life and so much happiness, and the world doesn't seem so bad when there's white, fluffy garland everywhere. Today, we are only decorating my bedroom and bathroom because my roommates and I already decorated the whole house last night, and I decided to hang up and hang out. What you're looking at is what we've got. So this is what we're working with. My very cute, very pink bedroom. Okay, realizing now that it's a little messy in here, so I'll have to clean this up a little bit. But yeah, like I have some fall garland, some pumpkins. Oh God, okay. Dirty clothes pile on the floor. That's perfect. Girl, today I woke up and I was like, it's time to decorate for Christmas. I didn't even like think of the logistics or anything, but yeah, it's a little messy, okay? Anyways. Now that I'm like looking at this, there's really not a lot of fall decorations. I have a lot more Christmas ones than I do fall, but we still need to put them away. And I like to keep my fall decorations in my Minnie Mouse suitcase. And everything else goes in my UGG box. So yeah, it's a white girl fall. Okay, fresh clean slate, even though I had like maybe like 4 things out for fall, but fresh clean slate. Okay, very happy. One of my favorite places to start on the decorations is to make my 2 pinkish purplish Christmas trees, put them up. I love to put like one right here and then one right here. It looks like a grand entrance, even though when you're outside you can't see it, but I know that it's in here. I'm gonna do that because I think that's a really good place to start. It's so cute. Okay, this is like a little bit congested though, so the slow post got to move over here. This has to come over here because the door needs to, well, that's good enough. The other thing I like to do for a even grand entrance, I have, one moment, I have all of this garland, like so much garland. And I like to line my door frames because it looks like snow. Like not really, okay? It doesn't really look like snow, but basically it looks like snow. And this garland has like these little stars on it and they are like pearlescent. So they look really cute with the pink trees. And then with all my other pink decorations, give myself some room here. My life hack, using a hammer and thumbtacks to put the garland up. I've done tape and I've done nails even, but the thumbtacks are just so nice. I am a little scared that I'm just gonna like put the hammer through the wall on accident, but that could happen regardless, so it doesn't really matter, okay? I have a secret stash of thumbtacks somewhere. I just have to find them. Ah, yes, here they are. I used to have a lot more white ones. I don't know where they went, but I think any color besides yellow will do. Clearly, I did something to make it fit, but I don't know. I'm just gonna start hammering. Hey, no time like the present. See, what I do is I like push it through like a thicker part of the strand. Look at that, and then it stays there, and then I just hammer it into the wall. Perfect. Look at this. You can't tell me that this is not the cutest thing ever. Well, it looks kind of ugly, but that's just right now, okay? It'll look better. Oh no. Nar. Okay, back over to this. And then I think I'll put one in the middle to really make sure it does not fall down. It does look kind of cute, but I feel like it will definitely get caught in the door. It's looking so good. I don't think you can tell, but there's like kind of like half of a foot gap at the bottom, but the tree will kind of like hide it a little, I think. It's the goal anyway. Why are all of these garlands different lengths? What did I do to these? Why is this uneven? It's fine, it doesn't matter. Oh, I'm just hitting my fingers. Do you see the vision of it looking a little bit like snow? It looks so cute. Okay, now I'm going to do this door too, and then that's the only door I'll do because those are the only 2 doors here. And like anything beyond there, we'll deal with that later. Every time I keep picking up this little mini one. Jesus. Girl, I'm sweating. I just want this to turn out well. Ta-da! And for some reason, I just have this. I guess last year when I did this for the first time, I did not map it out very well. That's my only guess. But now I have this cute little thing. I think I'll put it by over here. It's such an awkward length. There, maybe, yeah, I'll just tie it. Girl, this looks ugly as hell. I like it, okay? Oh my God, I just ripped out like a massive chunk. Perfect. That's what I was going for, so. As for everything else, let's take some inventory. I forgot about this garland. This will go behind my bed here. I have peppermint garland, 2 bow garland, this snowflake garland, 1 snowflake, this garland that says Merry Christmas. That's really, really cute. My Christmas mug. And then the little lid for it as well. So cute. I have this little jar, that tree, this tree that has a sad little star on the top, this little decoration. Oh, I have some ornaments. We'll put these on the tree. I don't know what this is from, but this is really cute. This like candy jar, these 3 ornaments. This will go downstairs, and everything else, I think I'll figure this out. Overwhelmed by the amount of garland. Also, do you like my sweater? I thrifted it at the beginning of this year, and I remember I was so conflicted because I was like, do I get it? Do I not? Because it's gonna be so long until I wear it, because it was right after Christmas. I got it, and I am so glad that I did because I'm so obsessed with it. It's so cute. It's cotton on. It's so comfy, cozy. This I put on my desk over there. Don't know about these 2. This goes on my bedside table. Okay, I'm going to put the things out that I know where they want to go, so then I can figure out the things I don't know. Okay, look at this beautiful concoction of things on my bed. Like, oh my God, it's finally Christmas. My sad tree. There we go. There we go. That looks a little bit better. I absolutely love this peppermint garland. It's so cute. It's like red and pink, and it has sequins on it. Oh my God, yes. Yeah, actually it looks amazing. Hello, this is perfect. Ah, so cute. Okay, these downstairs. Oh, maybe I'll put this on my desk. I have like a thing for mugs. Yes, this is so cute. Look at that next to the tree. This is cute. I was going to put this Merry Christmas garland on my mirror. I'm like, wait, I just made a garland. Oh, God, we gotta put them both up and see. Look how adorable this is. I just like hot glued them together. There's pink and like white, silverish. Oh my God. It actually looks really cute. It is a little bit uneven, but look how cute these little bows are. All of the 4 different variants of the bow are like front and center. I don't know what to do with this garland. You know what? Maybe I'll put both of these by my desk outside. Also, girl, I know the bow trend is over, but for me, it never ended. And my room, obviously, it's like a very merry pink Christmas. So I think these bows look amazing. Sometimes I like to put, oh, I forgot this. Happy Halloween. Sometimes I like to put stuff at the bottom here of my mirror. Oh, okay. Honestly, these 2, I kind of want them by my mirror. Oh wait, should I hang it on my mirror? Oh my God. Maybe not. Oh my God. Okay, yeah. Oh my God, it's so little, but it's so cute. Oh wait, actually, these 2 also. This is like my version of a little mini village. This is where all the magic happens. I think that this would be so cute, like on the wall up here. And then I think I will wrap this around my desk. This is cute. Like, this is cute. Okay, I don't care what anyone says. Oh, it looks kind of ugly. Ooh, wow. That looks great. Thank you, I know. My desk has these like bars here, and I think I just wanna, that looks pretty sad. There, I'll tie it in the front to make it a little less sad. I feel like I should have done it more even, but I thought it could reach, can it? It looks like a holiday cheer in here. Actually doing so well. Only this left and then this garland, which if I don't use it, that's fine. So now I want to put these downstairs. This looks so cute. The theme downstairs is more like green, red, like classic Christmas colors, like this Christmas tree. This is so epic cute. Okay, now time for these two. Tree reveal, tree reveal. This is my boyfriend's ornament that he picked out, so I gotta put this on the tree. I did not pick this out. It looks so effing cute. We even have Mr. Beast Squid Game, Home Depot bucket, Queen Elizabeth, Sparkles, Spam Musubi, computer science, whatever, haha funny joke, Taylor Swift Eras Tour. We even have Pokemon cards in the middle there. Cute. Believe it or not, we only have one more decoration to hang. I was thinking maybe just putting it here on the wall because it'll look good. I think that's cute. This wall feels so thin. Okay, this is cute. I wish it wasn't the yellow, but that's okay. Wait, I'm like trying to think if I should put another garland on the outside, like here. Do I need it? No, obviously I don't, but it's fun. That looks like ass. That looks like ass. A little bit better. We'll just keep it like that. I don't know how, I don't know why, I don't know where, and I don't know who, but we did it. We did it. All of the Christmas decorations are up. It just feels so good and comfy and cozy. Finally, it feels like it's going to be Christmas. So I'm just gonna give you a little tour of all my Christmas decorations. I feel like it's a nice balance of like not too many decorations, but like enough where it feels like Christmas. Also, I forgot, I put out my champagne toast candle, which is one of my favorite scents from Bath and Body Works, but I actually thrifted this. $25.50 originally. It's like little ballerinas and it's like Christmassy and it's so cute. I changed out my other champagne toast candle for the Christmas theme one. It's starting to feel a little bit more like Christmas, so I'm really excited. I don't know what we're going to get up to tomorrow, but I am so excited. The vlogging every day, I'll tell you what, it's good for the soul. Check back in like 10 days when I'm really tired and losing it. I promise you, even then, I'll be really happy. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.